guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. Today I'm going to be doing a ponytail tutorial. So I'm going to take my hair from this, nice and natural, to this, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So as you guys know, I'm actually natural. I've been natural for a year now, since I've been cutting my hair, and I'm a full B hair type. I've washed and conditioned my hair, so I'm going to use this product just to give my hair a little bit of shine and make sure that it's looked after. Under no circumstances do you want to use product in your hair when you're doing this style. Please, no grease, no oils, nothing. Keep it to the bare minimum. Once you've done that, you're going to take the John Frieda Frizz Ease 3-Day Straight and actually apply this to your hair liberally. You're going to use a lot of this to the roots, to the ends. And I like this product because it offers heat protection and keeps my hair straight. Under no circumstances, I don't want to see in the comments, oh, you've used bare heat on your hair. For me, I don't care. It's hair. Like, if I cut it off, it's going to grow back tomorrow. I'm not fussed about that sort of thing. So then I'm going to take this blow dryer, and then I'm going to blow dry my hair on medium heat, just to kind of dry it off and get some length in there. I'm making sure, of course, I'm starting from the ends. Don't be like the African aunties that drag the whole thing from the bottom to the top. Then I'm going to use this product just to give my hair a bit more protection. This is what my hair looks like after I blow dried it on medium heat. Then I'm going to go back in and blow dry my hair on high heat, and you're going to notice that I take it from the bottom straight to the top. I'm doing so really slowly to make sure that the heat actually lengthens and straightens my hair. And of course, this part is important because it means if I could get my hair nice and straight before using the straighteners, then I won't have to keep passing the straighteners over my hair over and over again. And it should look like this. No, I love my hair. Then I'm gonna take my hot comb and I'm just gonna pass it through my edges. So basically the perimeter of my head, the front, the sides, the back, and this is just to make sure as well, like, I've got everything. Of course I can't use my straighteners to catch my edges because my edges are short. Frontals have been chopping life from my edges, but you know what, we're still going to use the hot comb and straighten the hair. Now it's time to straighten the hair, and I just use these regular Remington straighteners, and I turn it to high heat, which is 230 degrees Celsius, but I've used my heat protector, which protects me up to that heat. So I'm just going to part my hair into sections and use a comb just to comb through my hair to make sure there's no kinks in there, and then I'm going to pass the straightener over my hair. If I have blow dried my hair correctly, then I won't need to keep passing the straighteners over my hair, and it will do its job first or second time round. And this is the part where if you've put product in your hair like oils or hair moisturizers, like, it's just gonna come out looking heavy and greasy, and you don't want that because you're also going to put additional product on your hair, and you don't want your whole hairstyle to turn white on day 3 after you spent time putting it together. Anyway, this video is for all my babes that are stuck in lockdown, stuck on lockdown, in lockdown, under lockdown, wherever it is. This is for you guys. So, you could get your head top looking good whilst you're indoors, and you don't need to be thinking about, oh, what I finna do to my hair. You can actually do this tutorial. Yeah, and it's such an easy tutorial. If I can do it, anyone can do it. This hairstyle will probably last you up to a week. It lasted me up to a week, and there was one night I didn't sleep with headscarves, and you know, it still lasted a week. I was really, really proud of myself. I was. And that's all the straightening done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. At this point, if you want, you can give yourself a trim, whatever you need to do before you pop your hair um into the position it needs to be in, I guess. So I'm gonna take this comb and I'm just gonna start preparing to get it into a pony. So I'm just obviously combing the hair into the right direction. And it was at this point I realized my edges, girl, you know you need to go back in and sort it out. So I just decided to pop my edges back out again so I can straighten them properly, because I don't think the hot comb got like the bottom of it. So you could just see me straightening it to make sure it gets, you know, what I need. So I'm gonna use my gummy wax. I really like this. What do I call it? Is it a gel? It's a wax, whatever. So I'm going to take the gummy wax and I'm going to pop it around the perimeter of my head, so the back, the sides, leave the front for now, and then I'm going to section the hair into 3 parts. So the back part, I'm going to section that off and then pop the gummy at the base of my hair and then brush that up. So this is just to try and hold it into the style that I need. I thought about using beeswax, but that is really hard to get out your hair, and I wasn't prepared to be washing my hair 7, 8, 9, 10 times. So I thought I'll use the gummy wax instead. So as you can see right here, I'm parting the hair again. I'm gonna part it and pop the gummy wax in at the bottom of the hair. And then I'm gonna brush it up to make sure it gets through the hair. And then I'm just doing my perimeters and, you know, the back, the sides, brush that into place, you know. And you want to make sure you're using like a hard brush, not using a soft brush. Make sure you're using a hard one. Then I'm going to take the same wax and pop it along the front of my hairline and make sure I work that in properly with the brush. Now is the time to separate my sideburns, and then I am going to continue to work the rest of that gummy wax in. Once I've done that, I'm going to reach for my got to be spray, and I'm going to spray the front of my hair. This is just to, you know, make sure everything is in place. I'm also going to spray it a little bit further into my head to make sure everything lays seamlessly. I'm going to use that brush just to brush it in and make sure I use my blow dryer as well, just to start, you know, holding the hair into place and getting the hair nice and tough. So you're going to pop it into your ponytail. Make sure you do the back as well. You want to make sure that everything is being secured with the got to be spray, and make sure that everything is like nice and firm. You don't want it rock hard, but you want it nice and firm. Then you're going to reach for your bundles, your hair bundles, whatever. This is just random hair I had lying about. I regret not dyeing it black because my hair is black and not really brown. If you can plait your hair, this is when you want to start plaiting it. Me, I can't plait that because my hair is short and it's very blunt. So I just used a few hairbands just to tack it up, and I proceeded to pop a bobby pin into the weft because I'm going to start securing it together. But before I do that, I decided to sort my edges out first so I can lay them whilst I'm doing my pony. So I'm just going to use my gummy wax and this lovely mini edge brush from the hair shop or beauty supply store. And I'm going to lay my edges with the wax and the got to be spray. You want to make sure when you're using your got to be spray that you're not using too much on your edges, because it makes it go white and nobody wants white edges. So just, bear that in mind. It's different when you're putting it on your head top, but just, work around with the method to see what works for you. Then I'm going to take these wrap strips. I got them from the hair shop. Do not use the barber strips, okay? The barber strips, they melt into your hair and you actually can't do jack with them and it makes your hair look horrible. So use the actual hair wrap strips. Then I'm going to take the bundle and secure my ponytail. I am still more or less trying to learn how to do the best method of securing my ponytail. Here I just use bobby pins just to secure it, of course. Some people, they might want to sew it on. It's up to you. Figure out what you want to do with it. But of course I just wrapped it round, and this is what the ponytail looks like once I've got everything in there. Yeah, then I'm going to take some hair from the ponytail just to disguise the part where the hair and the actual ponytail meet. I'm going to comb it out a bit to make sure it's free of any kinks. Then I'm going to use the got to be just to spray it on it and start wrapping it around my head. As I am spraying it and wrapping it around my head, I'm using the blow dryer as well just to secure it and harden it. Sometimes you might see that some bobby pins might be sticking out. It's alright, just push them into place, and just do what you gotta do, Continue spraying, continue wrapping. You're doing the best you can do. Of course, you're staying at home, you're not going to the salon, so you just have to manage, and that's alright, because coronavirus is just a real something. Then I'm going to rip this baby off to reveal my beautiful laid edges. Oh my gosh, they look so great. If you want to go ahead and use some more product just to make everything look nice and perfect, then you can do so. Then you want to style your actual ponytail. I actually went back in and used a bit more hair just to wrap it around the actual ponytail, just to give it that vavoom, because anybody got time to be looking basic? Anybody got time for that? And that's the end of the tutorial. Nice and easy. I was so proud of myself, because I looked a bomb. I had to throw in a little bit of the don't rush challenge in there as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.